Let me guess. You've tried every possible method to lose belly fat. Cutting carbs, extreme diets, spending hours at the gym, and maybe even trying some fat-burning supplements. But despite all your efforts, the belly fat remains. Sound familiar? It's frustrating, right? You're doing everything right, yet that stubborn belly fat just won't disappear. Well, you're not alone. What I'm about to reveal is the shocking truth behind why belly fat is so hard to lose, and why many of us struggle with it even when we think we're doing everything right. And more importantly, I'll show you how to burn belly fat fast, faster than you probably think. Stay with me until the end, because I've got a special tip that will accelerate your fat loss like never before. 1. The real cause of belly fat. Let's start with the most important truth. Belly fat isn't just about calories in versus calories out. While that's part of it, the real reason your belly fat won't budge lies in your hormones. You might not know this, but your body is constantly working to store fat. And it has a natural instinct to store fat in certain places, particularly around your abdomen. This has a lot to do with hormones like insulin, cortisol, and thyroid hormones. When you eat foods high in processed sugars and carbs, it spikes insulin. Insulin is the hormone responsible for storing fat, especially in your belly area. That's why you might be eating what you think are healthy foods, but you're still gaining weight around your waist. Then there's cortisol, also known as the stress hormone. When you're stressed, your body releases cortisol to help you deal with the stress. However, cortisol also tells your body to store fat, especially around your stomach area. The key here is balancing your hormones. Focus on eating clean, whole foods that stabilize your blood sugar and keep insulin levels low. You should also find ways to manage your stress levels, because high cortisol can keep you holding on to that belly fat. 2. You're eating healthy but still gaining fat. Here's a big mistake many people make. They think eating healthy foods is always good for weight loss, but that's not always true. Foods like granola bars, flavored yogurt, and some salads are marketed as healthy options. But many of these foods are loaded with hidden sugars and unhealthy oils that can trigger insulin spikes. When insulin is high, your body tends to store fat, especially in the belly area. I'm sure you've also seen low-fat products on the shelves, but guess what? Low fat often means higher sugar content to make up for the taste, and that means more belly fat. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods. Lean proteins, healthy fats, and plenty of vegetables should be your go-to. This will help stabilize your blood sugar and prevent insulin spikes that promote belly fat storage. Healthy eating doesn't just mean eating less, it means eating smart. 3. You're overtraining, not undertraining. I know what you're thinking. The more cardio you do, the faster you'll lose belly fat, right? Well, unfortunately, that's a myth. Excessive cardio can actually slow down your fat-burning efforts by burning muscle instead of fat. And the problem with losing muscle is that it slows down your metabolism. Your metabolism relies on muscle tissue to burn calories. The more muscle you have, the more calories you burn at rest. So even though you might be spending hours on the treadmill, you're not necessarily burning fat effectively. Instead of endless cardio, focus on strength training. Lift weights, use your body weight for resistance exercises, and work on building muscle. Exercises like squats, deadlifts, push-ups, and lunges are amazing at building muscle and boosting your metabolism. Plus, strength training helps you burn fat even while you're resting. Now that's what I call smart fat burning. 4. Stress is sabotaging your fat loss. Let's talk about something you may not even realize is holding you back from fat loss. Stress. Stress doesn't just make you feel overwhelmed. It can actually stop your body from burning fat. When you're stressed, your body releases cortisol. The problem with cortisol is that it promotes fat storage, especially in the belly area. This is a biological survival mechanism. Your body stores fat in response to stress because it believes it needs energy for fight or flight. On top of that, stress can cause you to crave comfort foods like sugary snacks and junk food, which only exacerbate the fat gain. Manage your stress through relaxation techniques. Try meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises to lower your cortisol levels. Even taking small breaks throughout the day to clear your mind can make a huge difference in how your body stores and burns fat. 5. You're not getting enough sleep. The final piece of the puzzle is sleep. Many of us sacrifice sleep to get more done, but this is one of the biggest mistakes you can make when trying to lose belly fat. Studies show that sleep deprivation increases cortisol levels and causes your body to crave high-calorie foods, which leads to overeating. When you don't get enough sleep, your body has a harder time processing food, and fat storage increases, especially in your belly. Fix: prioritize quality sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of restful sleep each night. Create a bedtime routine that helps you unwind. Avoid using electronic devices before bed and make your bedroom as relaxing as possible. Getting enough sleep allows your body to regulate hormones and burns fat more effectively. The fastest way to burn belly fat. A simple, proven system. Now that you understand the real reasons behind belly fat, it's time for the solution. And trust me, it's much easier than you think. You don't need to go on an extreme diet or spend hours at the gym to see results. Start your day by hydrating with water. Drinking water first thing in the morning helps jumpstart your metabolism, flush out toxins, and sets you up for fat-burning success throughout the day. Then, try intermittent fasting. No, this isn't about starving yourself. It's about giving your body enough time to burn stored fat. A 12-14-hour fasting window is enough to kickstart your metabolism and help you burn fat. This method doesn't require any extreme calorie restriction, just a smart eating window. Next, focus on strength training. Lift weights, do bodyweight exercises, or use resistance bands to build muscle. Strength training helps you burn fat even while resting and boosts your metabolism, making it one of the most effective fat-burning strategies. Eating whole, nutrient-dense foods is another key factor. Keep your diet clean by focusing on lean proteins, healthy fats, and a variety of vegetables. Say goodbye to processed snacks, sugary drinks, and refined carbs. Low-intensity walks after meals can also make a huge difference. Just a 10 to 15-minute walk can help your body burn fat more efficiently. It's an easy and effective habit to implement. Finally, manage your stress levels. High cortisol can sabotage all your hard work. So take time to relax and incorporate deep breathing or mindfulness techniques into your routine. This system is simple, effective, and sustainable. It's about making smarter, healthier choices every day, and in return, your body will thank you with increased fat loss and a flatter belly. If this video helped you, before talking about the product and directing them to the description below, remember, you don't need extreme diets or intense workout schedules to burn belly fat. Consistency and balance are key. Thank you for watching. Leave a comment below. What's your biggest struggle when it comes to burning belly fat? Let's start a conversation and share our best tips. Be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on future fat-burning tips. Stay committed, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next video.